Hey guys, today Huawei P20 and P20 Pro premiered at a special event in Paris, France. The new flagship dual notch screens, trio speakers, and various camera improvements in the new Leica Triple Camera. The Huawei P20 is the small of the two devices. It packs a 5.8-inch LCD with a notch and a resolution of 1080 by 2240 pixels. The matrix behind the glass is Pantel RGBW, the same as on the Mate 10. Just below the screen sits an always-on fingerprint reader, doubling as a multi-purpose control key. P20 runs on the Kirin 970 chipset with an octa-core processor, Mali G72 MP12, and 4 GB of RAM. There's a 64 GB of storage that can be expanded if you forego the second SIM, as it got a hybrid slot. The chip also has Huawei's dedicated NPU for machine learning acceleration. The P20 comes with an upgraded Leica dual camera with a new larger 12-megapixel RGB sensor with OIS f1.6 lens, and the second snapper is a 20-megapixel monochrome shooter, same as on the Mate 10, also behind f1.6 lens. The camera on the P20 does come with 4-way autofocus, PDAF, laser, contrast, and depth detection. There is also a dual-tone LED flash. P20's camera can do portraits, trees, backgrounds, and lighting effects, 2x lossless zoom, and it can capture 720p at 960 frames per second super slow-mo videos. There are various AI advancements that I'll mention in a bit. The new 4-megapixel front camera behind f2.0 lens will be doing the selfies. It can do bokeh and studio lighting effects and enables face unlock. Huawei P20 is powered by a 3400 mAh battery supposed for Huawei's supercharged fast charging technology. The P20 design is a departure from the P9 and P10's metal shells. Instead, it comes in a rather trendy dual glass body reinforced with a metal frame. The P20 is IP53 rated for dust and splash resistance. The signature color of the series Twilight with a very catchy gradient. It will be available in all markets. Other color options are black, midnight blue, pink, gold, and champagne gold, but some of those will be region dependent. The Huawei P20 Pro is the headliner of the series and is as it packs the new Leica Triple Camera. The P20 Pro is built around a slightly bigger 6.1-inch LCD screen with the same 18.7 by 9 aspect ratio and notch and identical 1080 by 2240 pixel resolution. The fingerprint sensor is also at the front, always on, and supports swipe gestures. The Kirin 970 also powers the P20 Pro with the same octa-core CPU and Mali G72 MP12 GPU. The Pro model will come with 6 GB of RAM and 120 GB of storage. The new Leica Triple Camera is certainly the most interesting bit here. The separate sensor is a 20-megapixel monochrome one behind f1.6 lens. Moving to the larger hub, there is a 40-megapixel large color sensor with f1.8 lens and OIS, and an 8-megapixel color one with f2.4 telephoto lens. The camera features the same 4-way autofocus. There is a dual-tone LED flash with an embedded color temperature sensor, and this whole thing can do 3x optical zoom and 5x hybrid zoom. Other highlights of this new setup include the jaw-dropping maximum ISO, instant autofocus on anything that's as close as 3 meters, and screen off to shoot time of 0.3 seconds. Finally, this triple camera is capable of 720p at 960 frames per second super slow-mo videos, and it's relying heavily on AI for lots of new features and effects. Just as the P20, the P20 Pro has a 24-megapixel front snapper with f2.0 lens that can do a variety of background and lighting effects, but also can be used for face unlock via 2D mapping. Huawei P20 Pro is powered by a large 4000 mAh battery that supports supercharged fast charging technology. The Pro has the same design and build as the P20, but is IP67 rated for dust and water resistance. Huawei P20 and P20 Pro will run on Android 8.1 with EMUI 8.1. It gets a new option to go with the new screen. It lets you darken the top and make the screen behave as it had no notch. Huawei claims its face unlock is 2 times faster compared to the iPhone 10. The P20 and P20 Pro will light up their screens if you are in a dark room for the feature to work. Huawei P20 and P20 Pro are immediately available globally. The P20 costs €649 while the P20 Pro will set you back €899. Now your turn, let me know what you guys think about Huawei's P20 and P20 Pro with the new triple camera setup, and let me know in the comments down, and make sure to subscribe this channel for the upcoming daily tech videos, and I'll catch you guys next one. See you soon.